Hi guys, Stuart here. Just going to show you how to use the yearly validation. This is for when we're cleaning up the data from last year, just to make sure that there's nothing in there that's going to throw your figures completely out. So you can see I'm logged in here on the demo site. I'm a demo user, and I'm going to click on the left-hand side here where it says yearly validation. Now by default, this will be set up for the 2017 year, so the last year. You can go and have a look at this year's if you like. But really, the first step is to clean up the 2017 data. And that's patients that were admitted or transferred in the 2017 year. So the important thing here are the 5 columns to the right-hand side. These sort by ascending and descending order the column values that are in them. So if I click on age at admission, I've now sorted it in ascending order, so the lowest one is at the top. And if 67 sounded a bit wrong, or you see something that says minus 243, you've probably got a year wrong in there somewhere, and that's a record to go and fix. You click on it a second time, it's now sorted in descending order. And yeah, look, the highest record is now at the top. And if that says 640, you've got a really, really old patient, or there's probably something wrong in the data. So what I want you to do is click on yearly validation, make sure it says 2017, and then work through each of these 5 columns, clicking them twice and sorting any records that look wrong. So time in ED, ascending order, so smallest at the top, the largest at the top, and so on. Now you'll see here in time to surgery, there's a couple of blank records there. What I would suggest is if you've got, say, even a whole screen of blank records, go to the next one to see where these are, the first record that you've got, just to make sure that there's nothing in there that's looks a bit odd. That's it from me. Go through and check these out all the way through, clicking on them twice and sorting anything out that you think is right, thinks that is not right, and that's your data all sorted for the year. It's been fun. We'll talk again soon.